We're going to lie down and just feel the whole body resting on the floor. The forehead will be resting on the hands. Feel your neck long, your shoulders relaxed. If you need to wiggle a little bit just to feel the body grounded, you can do that. Breathe deeply. Good. Now contract your abdomen. Feel that contraction in there. Great. And lift your head. Bring your elbows underneath your shoulders. This is your Sphinx pose. So in Sphinx pose, the shoulders are relaxed, the neck is long. If this is too demanding for your lower back, especially for Liz, you can bring your elbows a little bit further forwards. So that will give less of an arch on your lower back. Have your hands firmly on the floor. Tuck your toes under. And we're going to inhale here, opening the chest, priming your body. And then we're going to just watch to start with. We're going to bring ourselves up into plank. And from plank, we're going to do Kapalbhati breath, like so. And then release down. Okay? Let's try it. Inhale, tuck your toes under, bring yourselves up and release down. One more. Inhale, tuck your toes under, bring yourselves up and Kapalbhati breath from plank. And release down. And release all the way down. Stay there, feeling that flow of energy through your spine, through your belly. Feel your shoulders. You will be feeling the workout on your shoulders. Lovely. And then really gently come into resting on child's pose. Inhale and exhale. And stay in child's pose for a few breaths. Just acknowledging how you're feeling after that Kapalbhati breath with plank.